What is one tip that's going to help you move your clients from accepted offer to signed contract in this market? Hey everybody, Bizarro here, talking about be great in real estate. And I think it's very important to start to talk about expectations and the amount of time we are seeing expectations take. Now, whether you're an experienced agent or not, it's important to know that our industry right now is completely backlogged. There are so many transactions happening right now. So many transactions happening. So banks are backed up, and attorneys are backed up, and appraisers are backed up, and management is backed up. And all of these things are backed up. And you need to have a knowledge of this, an understanding of this, and be able to set that proper expectation to your clients. So when that deal sheet goes out, in 3 days, they're not like, why don't I have a signed contract? Or your seller, why isn't this contract signed? Right? Super important is the expectations that you set, because we are seeing deals take 2 to 3 weeks for due diligence to happen, for a negotiation of the contract, for it all to be ready to sign. So if you make sure you set clear expectations with your clients, that's going to help you smooth the path of least resistance to get to the contract signing and ultimately to get you closed. Hope you found this tip helpful. Check out Be Great in Real Estate. Give us a like, thumbs up, a comment. Love reading them. And hope you have a beautiful day. Take care.